Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share something new with you that I am starting, junk journaling, and what it actually is. So if you're curious too, this video will be for you. So what is junk journaling? Junk journaling is a creative type of journaling where you use everyday items, things that might normally be thrown away, like receipts, packaging, old book pages, envelopes, tickets, scrapbook paper, magazine cutouts, and more. Instead of a traditional notebook, you usually create and decorate a journal and fill it with layered pages, textures, writing, art, memories, and random bits of life. There is no right or wrong way to do it, which is honestly my favourite part. I've been wanting something creative that feels relaxing, and I love the idea of turning ordinary things into something meaningful and beautiful. And junk journaling seems to be the perfect mix of memory keeping, crafting, and self-expression. It's also a great way to slow down, unplug, and do something with your hands. So what it entails, what you use, you don't need fancy supplies to start. Literally paper, glue, scissors, and random scraps will work. Some people go all out with stamps, washi tape, ink pads, sewing. They make their own handmade journals, while others keep it super simple. Both ways are totally valid. You can use it for daily journaling, memory keeping, art therapy, which is great for mental health, gratitude pages, things that you're grateful for, creative writing, tracking your mood. Honestly, a mix of everything. So what I'm planning, I'll be sharing my journey as I learn. Of course, I will still be doing my jewelry tutorials. I know a lot of you are here for that. That's in my name, Crafty Claire Tutorials. I do want to do other things. So I'll be sharing my journey as I learn, as I mess up, as I experiment. Now, I do love vintage, so mine, personally, will be along those lines. So down the line, I want to share beginner-friendly spreads, budget ideas, not perfection. So if you've ever wanted to try junk journaling or love creative journaling in general, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your ideas and tips. And if you want to come along as I start this journey, please hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. I already have a little tutorial in mind of something that you can make to add to your journaling. Something very simple to do. You just need paper, a ruler, and glue to do it. Now, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, and there you will find jewelry, craft, and jewelry supplies. Now, I do concentrate on jewelry supplies more than anything, but to give you an example, I've been and ordered some supplies for myself, and just there's no way. Why do I want 150 doilies? This isn't 150 doilies. It's just that I cannot wait. Once I've got something I want to do, I don't want to wait. I know what it's like when you're waiting for your orders to receive your orders. I am up to date. Everything has gone out. Actually, while I was just sending your orders, I did pop in. As I said, I've bought some doilies, some small doilies, but there's 150 in a pack. Now, I'm not going to use 150 in a pack. So maybe over years I will, but I don't have lots of storage. So I thought, just like with the jewelry, because I cater for those new to making jewelry, I can put the extras on my website. And also that way I won't feel so bad for what I've spent. I mean, I've just been out now. No, this isn't a junk journal, okay? But it was in a sale, and it's actually a coffee table photo album with 30 acid-free white leaves. And what you do, if you open it up, so although it's like a folder, these are very thick. These are thick pieces of card. And I thought that would be ideal. So to start me off, I'm going to be using this. But what I will be doing this weekend is going out to the charity shops. If I can, I want to find not necessarily a leather bound book, but I want to get something that I can use, an old book, that I can take the pages out. And I know some people don't like seeing books destroyed, but if you go to a recycling centre, have a look at the books that are just thrown away. This way, I will be repurposing them into something that will be a keepsake to me, that will be a keepsake and stay with me. And I'm going to make it very beautiful, and it's going to be loved. So if you would like to follow on this journey, I don't have any journaling friends, any friends that are into this, so it's just me, and it's very lonely. I want to share things, I want to make friends. So if you do too, remember, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell. So thank you so much for watching, take care, and happy crafting.